65.
What?
Where'd you go?
Stop it.
Good evening. I am not Dr. Emmett L. Brown. This is not October 28th, 1984, outside the Twin Pines Mall, or Lone Pine Mall. This is, EV project number 2, and our first full-size vehicle. We have 12 Group 31 12-volt batteries in the back to power us for the initial testing. We have an FB4001A 120 to 140, well actually 96 volt to 144 volt motor. We have a Curtis 1231C controller. We have a Curtis, I think it's 300 amp maybe, 144 volt to 12 volt power and converter, DC to DC, to power our 12 volt system here. Throttle, contactors, your basic setup.
It's impossible. Tony Stark was able to build this in a cave with a box of scraps.
The gloves I'm wearing are high voltage rated in case something goes wrong. And here we go. We're gonna energize the system at full power for the first time in just a moment. So first things first, powering on the 12 volt system. The sound you're hearing is the key alarm for the pickup. Close the door here. All right, the DC to DC converter is on. We have not switched to key on power yet. I'm gonna do that right now. Let's see what smokes. She's live. Not hearing any sizzling, not smelling any melting as of yet. Let's test the test. We are in neutral, and we are going to apply throttle.
And 3, 2, 1.
Sparks, but she is firing. See it again. All right, well, so far so good. Nothing's melting. That concludes our powertrain test for this evening. Thank you for joining me.
Yeah, I can fly.
12-volt power is on. Ready? You want to get in?
9, 8,
2, 1. Third gear.
Here it comes.
All right, who's next? I think Stephen Reed had the next one. Take a tour of the neighborhood. All right, you got the shifter. So we've been cruising around in just third gear. Like I started off, no shift. Here we go. Third gear. We're gonna take the parking brake off. We haven't turned off the vehicle. It's still technically running. Here we go.
Yeah, I'm going to, but I'm going to
Okay.
So that's all coasting. Bring it around this way. It's handling the speed pretty nicely too. It's nice that that sound, that whining sound, is only at the very beginning of the throttle pull. After that, it's full silence. Let's see what it can do. Let's see. Batteries feel good. Everything feels good. I'm not seeing any fire. I'm not smelling any smoke. Ooh, it does not like that though. Third gear on a decent incline. It's not too big a... Fourth gear. Starting in fourth. Oh, there's a car. Where'd you come from? I'm trying to go faster, I promise. Oh, there's 3 cars stacked up. Let's get out of here. 40, 45, 50. Hard on the brakes. Alright, but now I gotta pick a gear for the neighborhood. Alright, there we go. I gotta fix that front right caliper. There we go. I smell something. I'm gonna do a systems check when we get back, I guess. Batteries look okay. They're not swelling. There's no leakage, no sparks, no fire. Rain's coming though. We're gonna get back in the bay soon. Gotta build a battery box for it. It's not a Tesla, but oh, I'm out of gas. Oh, crap. I got no gas. Actually, it's got a tank full. I haven't pulled the gas tank out yet either. It's still got gasoline in it.
Oh, that's weighing you down a little bit.
Yeah, I got that. I got the exhaust in it still. I still need to pull that out. Oh. Yeah, we need to check.
What? Stop it.